How to invite people to your scheduled meeting on Zoom Workplace. To invite people to your meeting on Zoom, you basically launch the Zoom app, and this is the feature and the homepage that you'll see. Right on the meetings page, you'll find some of your scheduled meetings that have not yet started. Now, if it's not yet started and you want to invite people, you select that. You just tap on this little options. You can tap on add attendees over here. You can copy the link to your clipboard, and you can send that link to other people and they'll be able to join that meeting. If you've already started the meeting, you're inside the meeting and you still want to invite others, whenever you're inside that meeting, what you do is you go to this toggle that says participants. From here, you tap on this little plus icon next to profile icon. So you tap on that icon. There you can see the option called copy invite link. So once you've copied the invitation link, then you can send this to other people and be able to go ahead and then basically invite other people to your meeting. So this way you can invite people to your meeting on Zoom. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.